In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your wiper blades. This covers the 2005 through 2010 Chrysler 300. These are located right at the base of your windshield. Now on the pivot part right here on your wiper blade, there's a little spring clip here. And what you're going to want to do is when we remove the original one, we're going to press down on this little spring clip and we're going to pull the wiper off of the wiper arm. Let's go ahead and start. Go ahead and grab the wiper arm and you can pull that up towards you. You can pull that wiper blade, kind of stretch it out like that. On the back side is going to be that little spring clip. We're going to push that out and push that wiper down and off like so. Grab the new component, line that up. There's going to be that little J hook right here. Slide that in, push it up. You can hear it lock into place. Just give it a little tug, make sure that that is locked on, and then go ahead and lower your wiper arm. Repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.